get a check gauge light. No check engine light. So from the standpoint of it sitting still and idling, it's doing really well. I'm still going to have a whole bunch of stuff to trace down to get other systems working other than the engine, but need to get that done first. So I'm going to go ahead and put my air cleaner back on, and I got a new air filter for it. Oh. And I also got a new radiator cap for the Ford F-150 Ranger. So now I'm going to put the truck together and go out to the farm and see if we can fix another truck. So that's it from Rudy Racing. Talk to you later. Bye.